Thanks, Deepak. Thank you so much. An interesting session for a Saturday afternoon indeed. Vineet, Gautam, Manish, Mustafa, thank you so much for joining in. We were having a chat before this session started, and for all of us, IPL is very close to our hearts. From the time it started to where it is now, it's a sporting extravaganza, not just for our country. It is very, very big around the world as well. Now, and it's not just about cricket. What happens with the IPL is it is able to, it's over a period of time become a melting pot for our country's culture, and it leads to festivity. Festivity in the stadiums, festivities at home, the excitement of watching your favorite team with your friends. Some of it will be missing, a lot of it will be there. And we have in this panel Mustafa, Vineet, Manish, Gautam, who are very, very important stakeholders, not just for the IPL, for their clients. They have a stake towards the audience to ensure audience engagement. Hopefully, newer models are going to emerge. So, without much more ado, I think let's get into understanding what their perspective is going to be, or what is it like as it stands today. Because we are on the brink of starting an IPL, which is going to be very, very different in many ways from the past, similar to many ways from the past as well, and hopefully will give us learnings that we'll take into the future. So Gautam, I'd request you to start with what's going on in your mind. How is your team working? How are you looking at things? What does this IPL hold for us?
Yeah, thanks, Minmoy, and glad to be with everyone today. Just a few things, obviously IPL is one of the biggest media properties that India has, and it's almost become a, annual feature in the Indian calendar for advertisers, consumers, sports people, everybody. And was a big disappointment, nothing to compare with the impact of the pandemic, obviously, but something that is a normal in our lives had been taken away. So at one level, I think the coming back of IPL, we hope will also signal some of a return to normalcy. Just because it's things that people, audiences, consumers are used to, it gives them a feeling of constancy. So I think beyond the cricket and the sport, we really hope and we are working hard towards pulling off the IPL so that there is a sign of sort of almost, if you become a little bit more, I guess, philosophical, how can this become a sign of life coming back and sort of how our human spirit sort of is overcoming all odds and life will come back to normal. So I think that is something that excites all of us and the teams to put it together. Obviously, it's a big sporting event. It's a big economic engine for a variety of reasons, and all of those things we have to deliver. So there are some challenges this year, not the least of which is how do you pull it off in the midst of a pandemic? We are going to pull it off without possibly without audiences for the most part, if not all of the tournament, and it's not in India. So you put all these things together, it forces us to innovate and think about how we can do things a bit differently. That said, the things that remain the same, which are very important, because I think people focus on what is different and it's important. But the things that remain the same is that this is the best cricket tournament in the world. This is the most competitive one. This is the most unique one, with teams being formed by people across nations of the highest quality. This is a place where rivalries have been built over the last many years. This is where fandom, exists at its biggest core in India, right? So, and this is something that annually, friends, families get together. On average, people watch between 15 to 18 games. Every person who watches a game, right? Which is a lot of games to watch. And I'm talking at home. Obviously, stadium is different. And so I think bringing that sense of normalcy and that excitement that IPL will bring, I think it will also change the narrative a little bit. All of us know that the headlines are being dominated, unfortunately, by somewhat negative things right now going on in the country, whether it's political or Bollywood or other things. And I think this gives a more positive things for people to talk about, for even with the social distance, how do we sort of engage around things as humans? I think those are exciting things that we want to do. We've had, maybe 8 weeks or less from the date of the announcement till the tournament, actually less than that. And so our effort right now is in three areas. One is obviously the sales cycles. We're seeing pretty strong response from advertisers for a variety of reasons we can get into. putting together the production and the content planning in the midst of this pandemic. So creating a bubble, which is another big activity. And then the marketing plans to sort of, think of it differently. This is the mood of the nation is not necessarily rara. So how do you sort of communicate what IPL will do this year? And hopefully in the next couple of days, the campaign will break. So I'm excited to sort of have everybody see that as we go forward. But I think those are some themes that we are working on.